FIXTURES here at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. Got ThyssenKrupps here. There's my suitcase. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Hopefully nobody takes it. It's Omaha, so I don't think they will. Back down. Oh, you heading down?
Thank you.
No problem. I'm just doing a project.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you as well.
Luckily still here. And that will be it.